Okay, Ardera got a package in the mail from Grammy and Grandpa. She is so excited. She can't wait to open it and see what it could be. Without further ado, rip into it, Ardera. What is it?
I don't know. Benji!
Benji! You didn't know you were going to get that, huh?
But we can't watch it.
We can watch it over at Grammy's house. Or you could watch it on Thursday night when we go to Bible study. At Chelsea's, right?
Oh yeah. They have never seen Benji.
Well, you wrote Grammy and told her that you missed watching Benji. And she said, I might as well send it to Ardera. Looks like there's a letter in there. I'll read you the letter when we're done with the video. You want to say thank you to Grammy?
Thank you.